Changing timer settings is carried out by a combination of push button presses and LED observation. The number of push button presses to select a feature is exactly the same as the feature number, and you can see that on page 5 of the manual, which has got a chart to show you. In this vid we're going to look at feature 1, which is the motor runtime, and that is going to be selected by making one push button press at the correct time. That time is the feature selection period, and in order to get there from the standby position with the LED flashing as shown, we hold the push button down until the LED goes out, and on release there's a short period where the LED glows dimly, and it's at that time that you could select a feature, but I'm just going to show you the feature selection period. Here we go. Holding the button down, LED goes out. I can hold my finger on the button for as long as I want. Nothing's going to happen until I release it. When I release it, you'll see the LED glow dimly, and it's that period of time where you can select a feature, but in this case I won't. There's the dimly glowing LED, and because I didn't select a feature, it's returned to standby. The next time that I do this, I'm actually going to select feature 1, and when I do that, it will report the current settings. So let's do that. Holding the button down, LED goes out. I can hold that for as long as I want. When I release it, dimly glowing, press once. Now it's selecting the feature. It's selected the feature, and now it's reporting 1, 2 flashes. So that shows the factory settings of 20 seconds, because a short flash means that you've got a 10-second increment set. So 2 is 20 seconds. Now the next time that I do this, I'm going to change the settings. When you change the settings, you can alter the increments by either giving a short press of the button, or you can give a long press of the button. A long press is where you wait for the LED to stop flashing and go solid, then release it, and that will give a 1 minute increment. The short presses give a 10-second, and I'm going to set it to 1 minute and 20 seconds. So here we go. Holding the button down, keeping it held down, ready for the selection period, releasing, select feature 1. Now it's in feature 1, 1. There's a long press and a short press, and now it will report 1 minute, 10 seconds, 10 seconds, 1 minute 20 seconds. And you'll note that even though I went short, long, short, when it reports, it always does the longest increment first, so it automatically adjusts itself to show you that that is 1 minute 20 seconds. Now I'm going to do it again and put it back to the factory settings. Here we go. Holding the button down, ready for the feature selection period. Select feature 1, 1 press. Into the feature, short press, short press. There's the 20 seconds back, and it's reporting it. So that's how you change the time for the motor run, and all the other features are selected in a similar way. In the next video we will have a look at changing the motor speed.